Hi, this is Rosemary, owner of Hands of Light by Rosemary, located in New Jersey. And I wanted to just tell you the difference between what I offer as a mentoring session or an angel communication session. So first thing, an angel communication session is one where I channel your guardian angel. I work off a few questions that you give me and some brief information as we either speak briefly or chat before the reading is done. By the time I meet with you, I already have channeled the information for you, and then we do a follow-up Zoom or in-person session. So that's considered an angel reading. And usually I get about 3, 4, or possibly more pages of information for you for an angel reading. So in my website, if you go to individual sessions, the angel reading part would be in the individual session section. The other thing that I offer is called mentoring. Mentoring is something where I don't channel for you, but I work intuitively and you tell me, oh, I would like to work on this, this, and that. So I've worked with people on anxiety. I've worked with people on unusual dreams or spiritual growth. So I am not a counselor. I was a school teacher for 32 years. I've worked with many clients since 96, 97. I've been in business since 2000. And I'm a Reiki master teacher. So I have a wealth of knowledge, as well as being an intuitive child that just knew things, and people would tell me their life story and their problems, even at a really young age. So I've used these skills to help other people to grow spiritually. Years ago, I didn't have a mentor person until I was probably in my 30s. So I went through many years of having these spiritual gifts and awarenesses, and I couldn't ask anybody about them. So my mentoring sessions are more about helping you grow and teaching you a way to progress. I am also working on a section on my website, which is going to be a membership page, where I'll be having different classes that you can do, and you could sign up for the month or more, and you could watch them and learn on your own. And these are videos that I've made related to different subjects. For instance, I'll have a section on raising your vibration, and another section I'm working on currently would be about spiritual growth types of things. So that is coming, and I'll have that posted at some point, hopefully this summer, on my website. I also do workshops and classes, both in person and on Zoom, and one-to-one sessions, including Reiki sessions and Reiki training. So if you're interested in any of these things, you can view my website on rosemaryd.com. or send me an email at info@rosemaryd.com, and I will get back to you in a short period of time to address your needs. If you're not quite sure what you need, but you have questions and you're not really sure which direction to go, you can book in what's called a discovery session, where I'll give you 15 to 20 minutes to a half hour, where we'll just chat about what direction you'd like to go and what you might need. And I can suggest some things that would help you, and different services I offer that we can figure out what works best. So you can certainly do that. Remember, it's info@rosemaryd.com. Hands of Light by Rosemary, located in New Jersey. And you can also view my child's website, because I'm also an author, at growyourspiritbooks.com. And you can see some of the books I wrote, which are on Amazon. I've written for middle grade fiction, primary, and I have a spiritual adult book called Divine Messengers. And it's about my journey, and also it's a guidebook for you on your own. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to hear from you soon.